Hello everyone and welcome to our Mimic digital tutorial series. This is the final video in a series of 6 videos showing you how to set up your first project. In this video we're going to be covering how to set up your registration. That is your user sign up and sign in pages. So we're going to start off by taking a look at our sign up page. Before we do that, let's just go and enable it over here to make it live. Then click on it to open it up. By default, you will see that we've got a few pre-populated fields. Now, if you click on content in the top right-hand corner, you can go and change any of these titles. So let's say we change sign up to register for argument's sake. Then we can go into fields and we can add another field. Let's add a drop-down field. Then we have to give that field a title. We'll call it what's your favorite color, and then you can go and type in a placeholder. We'll say only 3 colors to choose from for argument's sake. Then you can go and add the various drop down options. We'll add option 1 as red, and then green, and then blue, and then we go and click create, and then you'll see we've created the field. On the left you can see that it's added to our register page. You can also go and change the fonts and go and modify the background colors or the design of the background. You can add an image. Let's add this Mimic digital image. So you can have a background image. You can go and change the layout style. Let's put this on the right. You can go modify your fill style. Basically, any design element that you want to change, you can do in here. So let's say you've made a few changes and you're not happy with what you've done. You can simply go and click on reset in the top, and this will take you back to the default layout of the specific page. Next, let's go have a look at the sign in page. Now, the sign in page doesn't have a lot of customization regarding the different fields. However, you can design the visual look feel of it to suit your sign up page. So for instance, you can again go and change the colors, the font, the size. You can go and change the heading, so you can change sign in if you wanted to something else, as well as some of the other text elements on this page. Now that concludes our how to set up your first project video series. Thank you very much for joining us over the course of these 6 videos, and good luck with setting up those projects.